sun begins to glow, Chris ties shoes and calls Roscoe. Roscoe wags his little tail, ready for the lakeside trail. Run, Chris, run, go, Roscoe, go. Round the sparkling lake they flow. Chris and Roscoe, happy pair, bouncing through the mountain air. Ducks go paddling, 1, 2, 3. Roscoe trots so merrily. Chris waves softly to a friend. Round the curving path they bend. Run, Chris, run, go, Roscoe, go. Green Valley Park puts on a show. Chris and Roscoe side by side, little paws and jogging stride. Past the trees and water blue, Roscoe sees a bird or two. Chris slows down beside the shore, then they're off to jog some more. Roscoe hops beside a pine, Chris keeps up a steady line. Ripples shimmer, breezes play, Green Valley starts the happy day. Run, Chris, run, go, Roscoe, go. Round a lake and home they go. Chris and Roscoe, friends so true. Green Valley cheers for both of you.